Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. In this video we are going to learn a very simple and powerful technique given by the master Osho. It's called Osho Night Meditation. So many times people ask me that we don't have time to meditate, we are so busy in our day-to-day activity, we have to earn money, we have family, we have friends, we have so much responsibility, we can't do any meditation. So this is the meditation for each and every person in this world. If you apply this meditation in your day-to-day activity, your life will transform. So just listen to me, just watch, just listen what I am saying and try to apply this meditation in your life. I am sure your life will change. Your all the negativity, your anger, your stress, your frustration, your jealousy will transform into a new positive things. So don't skip this video, please continue watch till the end. Okay, so let's talk about the meditation. What happened when we go to the sleep? Normally we sleep around 5 to 9 hours every night. What we do before going to the sleep? Most of us, around 95% people, watch the TV or watch the mobile. Mostly people watch the mobile, they scroll WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, watching the YouTube video before going to the sleep. So what happened? In duration of suppose 7 hours, okay, when you go to the bed, you are watching TV, mobile, any kind of anxiety and any kind of negative thoughts you are making before going to the sleep. What happened? These thoughts from the conscious mind going to the subconscious mind. Suppose you created a thought of anxiety or anger or any kind of negative thing. So negative thoughts is going inside into your subconscious mind whole the night, and in the morning when you wake up, you will feel lethargy, you can't wake up, you feel tired, you feel that you don't have any energy to do the work. Why? Because you created the same thought in whole the night. You are getting the dream, you are getting all sort of thoughts during the sleep, because you started your sleep with the negative thoughts, with watching the any negative news or anything, any negative thing. You are started your sleep with the negative things, and same will happen in the morning. You will start with the same thought, you will start your new day with the same mentality, with the same things, with same negativity. That's why our life is kind of vicious circle, is moving around. We are getting more negative every day, more negative every day, and at last we die with the negativity and we get new birth with the same person with more negativity. That's why in this whole world so much negativity increasing, because we are not coming to ourselves, we are not seeing ourselves, we are not coming back to our body and mind because of this process. So we can transform this 7 hour, 8 hour or 9 hour of sleep into a meditation. You don't have to do any other meditation. Just using this simple method given by the Osho, you can really transform, really change your life. Okay, so what you have to do? There is, first you have to switch off your TV or mobile at least 1 hour before going to the sleep. This is the first and most important point. You can listen the light music, you can read the book, you can do any simple soothing activity, not watching the TV or mobile before going to the sleep. So this is your life. You can listen to me, or you don't have to listen to me, but if you want to really transformation in your life, if you really want positivity in your life, you have to do this process. So first step, you switch off your mobile or TV, anything, any disturbance is creating, you have to stop it. Then we start the meditation. First step of the meditation is you relax your body. Starting with the body, you command your body that the body is relaxing, the body is relaxing. Just mentally feeling the body, that my body is relaxing, my each part of the body is relaxing, from the toes to head, each organs, each part is relaxing. I am getting more relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. So this you have to do mentally around 3 to 5 minutes, whatever time you have. So before doing this, you are going to the bed. You are not sitting, you are going to the bed, you lying down in the Savasana, spread your hands, spread your legs, and you just relax in the Savasana and then command your body. In the beginning, you will not feel that the body is relaxing because we are not listening to our body. So in 2-3 days when you practice this meditation continuous, you will feel the body is relaxing. When you give the command, when you give the instruction to your body, the body is relaxing. The body will start listening to you. So just try this first step. Just give the command to the body that the body is relaxing, each part, each organ is relaxing. Then we come to the second step. The second step is same. We start with the body, now we do the breath. Now you give command to your breath that breathing is relaxing, I am getting deeper and longer breath. The breath is happening by itself and it's going longer and deeper. My breath is relaxing. So first step with the body, second step with the breath. You are relaxing your breath in a very relaxed way. Just watch your breath. The breath is happening, going in and out, going in and out, going in and out without changing anything. You are just relaxed. The body is relaxed. Your breath is going deeper and very relaxed. Now the third step. Now we enter into the mind. When you relax your body, when you relax your breath, then the mind will start relaxing by itself. You are getting less thought. You are getting very like soothing effect. There will be no thoughts. If you continue practice this meditation 3 months, you will start feeling there will be no thoughts. You are completely relaxed, silent. The body relaxed, the breath relaxed, and the mind relaxed. Mind just relaxing. It's let the mind relax. You don't have to do anything for the mind. You are just relaxing your mind. So when you relax your body, breath and mind, then you enter into your soul. There is no other way to enter into the soul, into your inner self. By using body, breath and mind, you can enter into the soul. And then whole the night you are with yourself. The whole night, the 7 to 9 to 10 hour, you are in a deep meditative sleep, in a deep sleep. Then your dream will change. You will feel within few days your dream, there will be no more dream. You are more relaxed, more calm. And when you wake up in the morning, you will feel more energetic. You will feel more vibrant. You will feel more life. You will feel more rejuvenated. Your whole body and mind will transform. You have any disease, you can practice this meditation. It will really give you amazing effect because you are with yourself. You are connected with the soul, the supreme consciousness during the sleep. It's in our Upanishad that when we are in the deep sleep state, we are connected to the Brahman, to the super conscious state. In that deep sleep state, all the healing happens. All the healing is happen in the deep sleep, but we are not getting that deep sleep. To get that state of deep sleep, the dreamless sleep state, you start this night meditation, Osho night meditation. This simple and amazing practice, just 3 steps. You relax your body, you relax your breath, and you enter into the mind, relax your mind. Then you can enter into your soul level, into yourself, into your Atma, into your inner being. Then the life will change. Just simplest meditation. You don't have to take extra time for this meditation. You don't have to make so much effort. You are just on your bed, you are lying down in a shavasana and just giving the instruction to your body, to your mind, to your breath, and then things will happen. You are get connected to the mother nature, and life will just give you the all the positive things. So try this amazing powerful meditation. Is really simple and very powerful.